Tatarstan, we can. Tatarstan, gateway to the world, at the heart of the world, where East meets West. Tatarstan, the heartbeat of Russia. Tatarstan is one of the most historic and dynamic regions in all of Russia. Peaceful, stable. Tatarstan is home to over 100 nationalities that are proudly united by one phrase.
Biz buldarabız. This means we can. The optimism of Tatarstan. Constant forward motion.
Tatarstan, land of harmony. Harmony and coexistence are the soul of Tatarstan's rich 1,000-year history.
We can!
Tatarstan, land of prosperity. The capital of Tatarstan is Kazan, just an hour's flight from Moscow. Kazan is famed as Russia's third city. Ernst & Young declares Kazan the best city for doing business in all of Russia.
Tatarstan, moving at the speed of light.
Kazan's groundbreaking IT park has some calling Kazan the Singapore of Russia.
The IT park is the largest technopark in Eastern Europe and Russia.
Tatarstan boasts an abundance of natural resources, including an oil forecast of over 1 billion tons. Tatarstan's oil refining sector continues to grow, attracting energy investments from around the globe, led by Tatneft, one of the largest oil and gas companies in Russia.
We can!
In addition to the energy sector, leading companies in aviation, organic chemistry, agriculture, and automotive flourish here in Tatarstan. Kamaz is the largest automotive maker in Russia. Their Master Dakar team has won the Paris Dakar Rally a record 10 times.
We can!
The best brands of the world recognize Tatarstan. Mercedes recently launched a new plant in Neberezhny, Chelny.
Mercedes could have opened a factory anywhere in Russia. We chose Tatarstan.
Tatarstan's business-friendly government will help you succeed.
Tatarstan is led by a dynamic, ultra-modern government.
We can!
Tatarstan's economic prosperity is only matched by its success and passion for sport. Tatarstan, land of excellence. Kazan is officially known as the sports capital of Russia. We are a city of champions. Come cheer for Rubin Kazan, two-time Russian Premier League champions.
We can!
Kazan is also home to the championship-winning Akbars hockey team, as well as the Sintez water polo team, Unix basketball, and Dynamo volleyball. In addition to team sports, you can thrill to world-class horse racing at the largest equestrian center in Russia. Racing comes to Kazan with a Formula One H2O Grand Prix and the WTCC in 2012. Would you like to play where the Russian Golf Cup takes place every summer? Or make your way down the mountain at Sviaga, one of the largest ski resorts in the region?
Объявляю открытыми.
Kazan becomes part of sports history as we host the 2013 University Games, the second largest sporting event in the world.
We can!
In 2015, Kazan will host the FINA World Aquatics Championships. And Kazan is proud to be one of the prestigious host cities of the 2018 FIFA World Cup.
Tatarstan, land of culture.
Tatarstan is the home to many world religions living in peace.
Christianity and Islam have lived here in harmony for over 1,000 years.
We can!
In Kazan, we celebrate this diversity at the Temple of All Religions, a shining symbol of religious tolerance.
We can!
Tatarstan's love of the arts goes back 1,000 years. We are a destination of world-class performances in music, theater, opera, and dance. Enjoy the spectacular Kazan Opera and Ballet Theater, one of the most visited concert halls in all of Russia. Here, the genius of native Tatar Rudolf Nureyev can still be felt.
We can!
For movie lovers, there is the Kazan International Festival of Muslim Cinema, known worldwide for its annual themes of peace. Tatarstan festivals such as Sabantui, Shalyapin, Caravan, and Republic Day have always been an important part of Tatarstan culture.
Rich in history, headed towards the future.
Higher education is a point of pride in Kazan. In Kazan, there are more than 210,000 students from around the world attending over 40 universities, academies, and institutions. This is why we are also known as the City of Learning. We are proud of our bright young minds that build Kazan's educated workforce. Kazan boasts some of the best hospitals in Russia, an ultra-modern metro system, and is completing a brand new international airport.
Kazan's quality of life is rated one of the highest of all Russian cities, with the very best standards of living.
Let us dazzle your palate with our fine dining, or relax at one of our 4- and 5-star hotels. And finally, we invite you to indulge in the city's luxury shopping.
We can!
In the heartbeat of the world, where East meets West, prosperity, excellence, and culture create the heartbeat of Tatarstan. Unique in so many ways, with so much to offer. Rich in history, headed towards the future, the heartbeat of Russia.
Tatarstan, gateway to the world.
Welcome to Tatarstan! Welcome to Kazan! Welcome to Tatarstan!
Tatarstan, we can.